Hello, my name is Pearson Guest. This is for Engineering 267 winter term, my final LabVIEW project. So here's the block diagram. Here's the front end function generator oscilloscope. Let's go ahead and run this. So as you can see here, we have the function generator. And its default set to sine. Change this to DC, which would just be a line, obviously. Square wave. Triangle. And sawtooth. We can adjust the frequency right here. All of the knobs are in the same location, so if we want to slow this down, increase the amplitude or decrease the amplitude. And the offsets is centered right now, so we can move this down if we'd like, or move it up. And let's go ahead and change the frequency a little bit again. And increase the noise. We have all the readings over here. We have our oscilloscope. The other side. We want to see FTT. Just click right here. We have the trigger. Generator, switch it to sine. Let's go ahead and change the noise. Let's get rid of that. Increase the frequency. And change the amplitude. Some bigger sine waves. We can change the line width. Also, our values right over here are showing. So peak to peak, mean, RMS, amplitude, etc. is right there. So yeah, this is my function generator, oscilloscope, data spectral analyzer. Thank you. Bye.